What's going on, fellas? So you see the title, how to make voice deeper. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this, man. Just stay tuned and get ready to learn.
What don't kill you, empower you. Just don't let it devour you. What's within is so powerful. Let the power empower you. I said, what don't kill you, empower you. Just don't let it devour you. What's within is so powerful. Let the power empower you.
All right, y'all. So I've been hearing it a lot. I've been getting the question a lot. Is that your real voice? How do you do it, man? Are you trying to make your voice that way? Is that really how you talk? Well, I'm here to let you know that this is exactly how I talk, and I didn't always talk like this. My voice wasn't always this deep. But I will tell you this, genetics does play a part in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out the way before I go into some of the details and some of the things that I used to do to help me pretty much have a deeper voice. Now, the first thing I'm gonna tell you about in terms of having a deeper voice and making a deeper voice is the first rule is talk from your stomach, all right? Now you hear a lot of people, they're like, oh man, say it with your chest, you know what I'm saying? Say it with your chest. No, if you say it with your chest, you're gonna sound like, say it with your chest. We ain't got time for that. Look, don't talk from your chest, because your chest, that's an upper region. Your stomach, when you breathe in, your diaphragm expands, and then when you breathe out, it comes back in. Pretty much when you're talking from your stomach, that's where the force comes from in your voice. That's why when you hear a lot of these singers with these full voices and they're carrying notes far, it's because they're singing from their diaphragm. So that's the first tip that I want to give you. Talk from your diaphragm, talk from your stomach. So make sure you're breathing normally, you know what I'm saying, and handling your business. And while you're talking, let it flow out with your breath. So when you breathe in, it's like, and when you let it out, so you know what's going on, la 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 la. The more and more you talk through your stomach and with your stomach, your diaphragm, the deeper that your voice will sound and the more fuller your voice will sound when you talk. Here's another tip. So my second tip is pretty much an exercise. It's kind of like a humming exercise, but look, this helped me, all right? I just figured it out myself and I was kind of playing around with it, and I realized the more and more I did it, the more deeper my voice sounds. So I was like, all right, bet, I'm gonna kill this regularly. So here's the exercise. So pretty much, you want to do this. And it's gonna sound stupid. I'm gonna let you know right now, it's gonna sound stupid, but the more and more you do it, the more and more you'll see that your voice really sounds a lot deeper. So pretty much you wanna do this. Get your breath, breathe in. And that's what's really gonna help your voice sound deeper, sound more full, and it really works. I did that for a year or two, and I really realized that my voice sounded a lot deeper, a lot lower, and more official. So definitely try that out, guys. Another thing I wanna also tell you too is getting more sleep. Now I'm speaking for myself, guys, and I really believe that this works. The more sleep that you get, the more deeper your voice will sound and the more higher your testosterone will be. Because a lot of this comes from high, elevated testosterone. So if you're getting good sleep, your hormones are feeling good, doing good, looking good, working correctly, then your testosterone will be higher and your voice will sound more deeper and full. Now, like I said before in the beginning of this video, it is a genetic thing. But I will tell you this though, out of my whole family, my father doesn't have a voice as deep as mine. My uncle, his voice is kind of deep, but it's not as deep as mine. And my brother, his voice is kind of deep, but it's not as deep as mine. So I really think that it depends on the individual, but I also think it depends on, what you're doing with your voice. Another thing too, start reading out loud. And this is just good for confidence. This is good for when you're talking and speaking to people. Start reading out loud. If you read out loud, it'll train your voice to operate a lot better. So guys, definitely try out these tips. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I believe they help me. I believe it's gonna help you too. Just let me know how it goes and let me know the situation. You feel me? But y'all know who it is. It's Black Superman with the deep voice. And that's exactly how I got a deeper voice. Stay tuned. More solutions coming at y'all. High power. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how we do.